Hey guys, this is Kugli again with another ROM review, and this time I've got Avatar ROM on KitKat. So Avatar has moved on to KitKat. This is a nightly version and it has been on KitKat for quite some time. I hadn't been realized that. My bad. So yeah, let's get into the ROM now. Now Avatar ROM, I have already reviewed the ROM previously, and the main thing about the ROM is that it's highly themable. You can see the lock screen is themed. This is not the system lock screen. As you can see, it's not the KitKat lock screen. It displays the time. You can pull on this to go to the caller, and this to go to text message. Whole thing you can unlock the phone. So that is a themed lock screen. So yeah. Now you can see all the icons are changed. A lot of things are changed. That is a theme feature which is main foray of this ROM. Let's go to settings and show you guys the options. In the about phone setting, you can see it does have avatar updates. Not sure if it's the Delta kind or the normal full zip file, but it is there. You do have OTA option. It is on the KitKat version. You can see a lot of options here. So yeah, that is it. Now the best thing about the ROM is that mainly when you go for a themable ROM like Leva, MIUI or something like that, you mostly miss out on the CM features. But this one is based on CM and it has these themes. Most of these themes are MIUI theme. It doesn't have a huge library of themes, but the themes which it has are awesome. I'll show you guys the theming feature in a bit. You do have in the personalization options, you do have the lock screen options. You have all of these slider shortcuts, etc. Button action, you can change the buttons or the lock screen option. So yeah, in the interface settings you have the exact same settings as the CyanogenMod mode. So that's nothing new, but I guess that is something which you need. CyanogenMod mode has the basic options which really every ROM should have, so that's pretty cool. And the quick setting options also, you have tile settings which, well, in fact they are also themed. You can see the borders are themed and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. You have all of these things. These are CyanogenMod mode settings default. You have that. So yeah, in the quick settings panel, that is it. Notification drawer, you can auto close behavior. You can select the quick access ribbons, which are the ribbons which will be here, which you can link to the tiles or you can have your own. So that's something pretty cool. So yeah, that's in the interface settings. Now you do have the animation style. Sadly there is no well, if you disable this you will get the fade animation, so that's pretty cool. Now the main thing about the ROM, themes. Themes are like, it's on steroids. The CyanogenMod mode on steroids, you can say that. I have actually downloaded a few themes. Default way, you have these two themes which are Coral Blue, which is working right now, and the system theme. System theme is the default KitKat Android theme, so you can have that if you don't like any theming facility. But if you don't like theming facility, I'm not sure why you have gone with this ROM. So yeah, now you can see it does have a lot of themes available. These are the featured theme. You can go in here to have top themes, Play Store themes, a lot of them. So that is pretty cool. The CyanogenMod themes also does work with this ROM, so you don't have to worry that by going with this ROM it's the only theme you can go. No, that's not it. So yeah, let me show you guys one other theme. I have downloaded Anna theme, which is, well, probably is my favorite theme of in any ROM like MIUI or Leva ROM. I normally go with this. Now when you apply the theme, this thing does come out. The system UI does crash, but no problem, it will restart and no problem. Now you can see the lock screen is kind of like the Sense one, so that is pretty cool. It's trying to send out something. So you can see the icons have changed, the background has changed, and the lock screen also has changed. So that is it. You can see the animations. It's the default animation. So yeah, you can see all the icons have changed. Apart from the icon, these apps are not themed. The apps are normal KitKat apps. You can see the clock app, which is, well, you can see that it's not a themed one. You do have the functionality and options of the normal clock which comes with KitKat. The camera also is the CyanogenMod mode camera, so you can expect a few bugs. I'm not sure if you can really trust the camera on a KitKat ROM, but you can expect some, so that's pretty cool. Now a few themes also has a boot animation changes. The normal boot animation is the Avatar ROM boot animation, which is pretty cool. That comes with the ROM. There are other ROMs, other themes also, like Retro Town. It is something related to a few games. So you can see the display also changed. A lot of things has changed. The lock screen has changed, obviously, and a lot of things. That's the main thing about the ROM. It has a ton of awesome themes. There's also one thing called layout theming. You can try it out yourself if you want to. It's something which I haven't tried out. It actually changes the way you interact with the phone. It's available in the link in the description. I'll link to it. It's a really intuitive function, so that's pretty cool. In the iPhone theme, you can see that it does have a boot animation. So I'll show you guys a boot animation now, the normal one, and I'll try to show you guys the changed boot animation. So this is the normal avatar boot animation. You can see the mask, which is kind of like the logo for this ROM. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That is the default boot animation, and well, I'll show you guys the changed boot animation also. It does have a boot animation change, which does work out pretty cool. I'm now applying the iPhone theme, which see I've just applied the iPhone theme, and you can see the lock screen is pretty cool. It's default iPhone-ish lock screen, and even the status bar is kind of like that. If boot animation was changed, you will get a notification here that a boot animation has been changed. So that's pretty cool. I'll show you guys the boot animation of the new ROM. You can see the loading icon also has changed, so that's pretty cool. Here is the new improved, I guess the changed boot animation with the Apple logo here. So yeah, I'm not sure if you're able to see the cut there. It's the new Apple logo. So yeah, that's the boot animation for this ROM for now with this theme. So yeah. Now about the launcher is actually called the Bazooka Launcher, which is, well, in my opinion, is one of the best names you can come up with for a launcher. So it's called the Bazooka Launcher. It's really cool. You can see the preferences. It does have extra settings. It's actually a beefed up trebuchet launcher. So you can expect the same amount of customization which you get from the trebuchet launcher, but with a whole lot of extras. So that's the thing about Bazooka Launcher. Apart from the theming facilities, not a lot are different. It's similar to what you can expect from a KitKat ROM. It doesn't have a whole lot of options, but the silent mode options are there. So that is really cool. So yeah, I guess that much is it about the ROM. Hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.